Hello everybody, welcome back to our vlog.
The sky.
Okay, it's working. Say hello.
Oh, subscribe button videos. Welcome back for another episode from Toast. This is sponsored by Skillshare. Okay.
Skillshare. Ano ba yan? Madumi. It's dirty.
And you can do anything you want.
Look at this. Hey guys.
Oh no, the lens is very dirty. Okay, hello. Welcome back.
Skillshare
Ayan, lakad na naman tayo. So,
check out this video from Skillshare.
So today, pupunta tayo sa Bird's Paradise.
Something like that.
Bird's Paradise. Something. Bird Paradise. Actually, ano pa lang to, bago-bago pa lang to. So may mga ano pa silang ginagawa. May mga construction pa silang ginagawa. And first time din namin pupunta rito. They still haven't fully, right?
Think so.
Yeah. Mga bato-bato sa parking. But yeah. Let's find the parking space and then let's explore sa initan.
So alright, I'm taking over the camera duties. If I show the front, it will be a whole lot of cars via the car park. Yeah. Okay, so I think this was it for the.
Oh wait, it's grand opening? Yay, grand opening!
I think that was for the other time.
No, this one is last time. No? Not now.
Okay, come.
So nakapasok na yung dalawa. So we're in Secret of Paradise Collection.
Okay, so so entrance is over there. So we got him. Okay, so
There's a water bottle. Oh my goodness! Okay, maybe my one is a bit too big.
so are you enjoying? The weather cooled down a little already. Okay, so once in a while you see my face. So there they are.
That's how your brother does all the work.
We're walking up the slope. Azrael's enjoying himself in his seat.
Both parents remain at sea to hunt. They return to the colony fewer than 5 times over the next few months to feed the chicks. Some parrots do not make it back at all, and some chicks do not make it to spring. Though these magnificent birds live in places so remote, their future is intimately tied to the decisions we make. Climate
carefully to complete your nest. What's inside?
This is a penguin pond.
Oh, cute!
But there's a
Penguin!
Oh, look. Hey everyone, it's your favorite operator Zion. Today I'm not building Legos. I'm going to Bird Paradise. And right now we're eating some food. This is what I'm eating. Very delicious.
Look at that design also, it's vlogging.
That's it. That's really good.
Look at that. What are you shaking? You're shaking, you're shaking.
I want to be here right now. This is... for free. Okay, you can enter one step.
Welcome to the land of parrots.
Oh look, rock.
Okay, come, let's go and find the cockatoo. Look, it's eating.
Yeah, but it's really right?
Hmm?
Is it parrot? Parrot. Oh, hello. Hello.
Egg.
Parrots. They're eating. What they eating? Oh, they're eating fruits.
So I want to stop until one stops eating so I can talk to it.
You want to talk to it?
Yeah, the parrots. They can respond.
I can hear thunder. Look at all these trees. They're very pretty. It's like a tinge of pink or orange.
That's pink.
Orange.
Pink is orange? I think we could have drawn that. That's it. Mom, look, a
Ang
rusty
ingay
house.
dito.
It's a rusty house.
I think it's just a...
There. Lion there.
Is that a real bird?
You cannot. It's very dark. Ang ingay nila. There, see? Hey, babe!
Mom.
Look what doesn't pass you.
Look there.
Mom, for some reason.
Yeah, I can smell it too. Ito na naman siya. Loko. I thought that's a real bird. It's so big. Oh, did you find the emu? Not yet.
But I did hear woodpeckers.
You see it?
Yeah.
You never say there's a woodpecker here, you see? Oh, this is the one we saw just now. Magpie. I didn't see this one. Oh, I saw this one just now. And that one. And this one.
Yeah, I saw this one as well.
Yeah. So where's the emu? Goose. Magpie.
Huh?
Magpie.
What are the bottom? Hello.
Okay, so dumaan kami. Ay, look, anak, there. Is that the emu?
No, that's not emu.
What's that?
That's Elder's Crown Pigeon. Southern Crown Pigeon.
Ang haba naman ng pangalan. What's the name? Pigeon lah.
Yeah, crown pigeon.
Crown pigeon. Yeah, because you see, he has a beautiful ground. You want to play with the ano?
Emu is just like
The big one, right?
that's right.
Pinaglalaro ni Ezra yung longganisa doon.
Help! Help, my poor.
Hala ka, kumukulog.
Yeah,
Why? You wanna see it?
did we bring one?
Okay.
Then stop by the side.
No, he's just here next to him. Don't scare it ko. Smile ka.
Hi.
Kaya take a picture with you, ah. Low. Too big.
That's a turkey. That's a turkey.
Can you see it? No, that's not a turkey.
I see it.
What is it, Daddy? Lucky.
Daddy again from the back view. I'm not sure.
This is the one I told you. I thought it's rambutan. It's pandan ikan.
And she thought it's rambutan. And he goes small.
Do a big bow. Do a big mouth.
Hope we can get to the next shelter.
This is slow. My goodness.
These are the crown pigeon, right?
Yeah. Or maybe it was the pigeon we saw just now.
Yeah, the crown pigeon something. Okay, aircon dito in fairness. Ganda rito. Daming nagre-relax.
So tall, right, Mom?
That's a tram.
Tram?
Tram! Let's go by the rail tram.
Flower for birds. Oh, there are the flower for birds, oh. Ang ingay nila. Okay, so parang tree house here. You're in a tree house, Ka? Ka? You're in a tree house. 3:30. So it's only like 1:30 or 2. It'll take so long. Let's go, open the door. Excuse us. Longganisa coming! Longganisa coming!
Not time to get rained on.
Yeah, it's going to rain soon.
It's raining.
Oh, it's raining. So these are the birds you can see from here. Oh no, our camera has no more battery. Yeah.
Yeah.
We sit down here first. That's right, longganisa.
How is it?
Okay, go, you Look here. Whoa. We are like a cave people. Okay, so andito kami. Relax muna at medyo lumalakas na yung ulan, and these are all the fun facts about migration. Oh, ayan na siya. Ho, ho, ho. Hala, hala, hala. Hala, hala, hala. Hala, hala, hala. Yay!
Even though it's raining, I'm fine, you know.
The birds say, it's raining, it's raining. Nagaharutan yung dalawa. Look at the birds. Dito kami sa Stephanie. Ni Ezra. Where's Ezra? Ezra! Where are you? There you are. Okay, look at those ducks. Nak, look at those ducks.
See why they call it walk.
Are you just waiting for it to happen?
I think so.
No, not here.
Magdagi, come back. Go. Zion, slowly. Oh, sorry, sorry.
You can just wait, Papa. Yes.
Didn't even walk much.
Look. Again, Asha. Again, the way you walk just now. How you walk? No, just now. How you walk the tire. Now, I want to see how you walk like just now.
And he was sitting most of the time.
Wagon.
Let us in the wagon. Yeah, I let it run on my foot occasionally.
Occasionally.
Oh, you need to call your brother who is gonna protect you.
Okay.
Oh, that's a splashy play area.
Where?
Over there. So over there is the splash play area. This is the area. Oh.
Din na si Ezra, walang takot oh. camera. Thank you.
I want to do a show.
Look at that baby egg. There's 2 baby eggs. What show? Okay.
Your feet belong.
Daddy, look. But egg is so small.
Ka. Look at the egg inside. Baby.
The key is so okay. I might have gone.
Yun, totoong rambutan na to, hindi na fake. So many fruits. I wanna get one.
Yeah, but you have to be.
Bye bye all the way, Mom.
Let's go find food. This looks like oh, this is a forest stream trail suitable for 5 to 12 years old. Okay, let's go. Find the way to the Starbucks. Yeah, you should have table in front, then let them play and then we eat. What do you think? Good idea?
Alright, so we are having our meal at Hans. Hofan. Hainanese pork chop with rice. His fish and chips. Grumpy not eating. And
Ice cream.
so after that we'll be going there for ice cream later. But apparently
You don't like. You lemon. I will like you. Then you will have your pizza.
Are you fighting with mommy?
No.
Dessert time. So we're having
Birds of Paradise at Bird Paradise.
ice cream.
This is a new flavor.
What flavor is that?
It's a strawberry.
Pistachio.
It's pistachio.
This one is coconut.
Not with salt.
And yours is?
Lychee raspberry with soil. Chocolate.
And
Chocolate
that is
flavored
chocolate.
soda. This is chocolate.
Okay, we're going to the last stop. The big falls. So dito siya. Medyo madilim na. Is the parking lot here also? Nag-toilet break kami. Ang cute nung nung CR dito. Ang luwang ang laki. Tapos may pa-waterfall sila sa dingding. So, okay. Uwi na. Oh yeah, I love to put it. Uwi na tayo and it's raining. Just nice.
To wash the pool of the car.
Yeah. Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
You like Bird Paradise?
Yeah. Now. Now. Let's go bye-bye.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye.
Bye.